Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can eat low carbs and lose weight. I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this delicious and tasty low carb noodles. So guys, I'm going to be introducing you to my ingredients. For this recipe I'll be using 3 carrots, 3 fresh tomatoes, 3 bell peppers, 1 onions, 2 naan, and half a noodles. I'll be using sriracha and 3 chicken breasts. Please wash as I cut all the vegetables and chicken. Always make sure you wash your vegetables because you don't know where they have been through, and also to prevent sand from getting into your food. So after cutting the chicken, I'm going to be boiling water for the noodles. I have the water on the stove already boiling. I'm going to be putting the noodles in and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. I'm going to be adding some seasoning, which is the Maggi. I'll be adding the sriracha as well. I'm going to be combining everything together. So by frying it this way, the ingredients is going to go in very well and it will taste nice and delicious. So I allow it now to cook for at least 3 minutes. So I'm going to leave the chicken to cook a bit longer. After taking the chicken out, I'll be using the oil to fry the onions. I'll allow the onions to cook at least 3 minutes. So now that the chicken has cooked halfway, I'm just going to pack it and use the fry pan to cook other ingredients and then cook the chicken very well. I'll be adding the tomatoes, stir it together, add the Maggi and the sriracha. Going to be adding the chopped carrots in. I'll be adding the chicken in, then stir and leave it to cook for 2 minutes. At this point, I'll be adding the noodles and mix it with the vegetables. I'll be adding the bell pepper in and mix it together, then allow it to cook for 2 minutes. I still want that crunchy taste of the bell pepper. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. And also leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. See you on my next video. Bye.